All right, today we're working on our 2013 Volkswagen Passat. We are replacing the turn signal and tail light on it. What you need for this job is a rag, the bulb, which is a 7506 bulb, and a small screwdriver is super helpful. So let's jump into it. We're gonna hop right into here where I have popped this little tab off already. So yeah, this guy was on here. That pops off. We have our wire harness there, and then this bolt. So let's get that undone real quick. So righty tighty, lefty loosey. So on the driver's side, we'll push up and away, and that will loosen our bolt up. So that comes off. We're gonna come out and around here. When you pull this light off, it just pulls right back, pull directly back, because we got a hook here. Now for the driver's side, this guy is kind of hidden from the inside, so we're gonna unclip this from here. Makes it a lot easier, and we're gonna push it back in. We're gonna come back in here and unplug the light from here. They are a little sticky, you know, a little weather sealing. Then we're gonna pop this guy completely off, and that's how you get the whole light off as well. So we'll get set up here, and we got to take this piece off next. So then we got these tabs. There's 4 tabs, so you kind of have to like work them. They want to pop back into place there, and this is way easier with a screwdriver. Boom. And then last one with your hand, and as this comes off, make sure the seal doesn't come off with it. We have our light bulb. So I'm gonna grab our rag and grab the bulb, push in and twist, and the bulb comes out. Let's grab our new bulb. That's our new 7506. Push in. We're ready to put this back into place. So make sure that seal that's all around there is in place, because that keeps water out. And boom, line everything up, because if it's not quite lined up, it doesn't go in. So yep, there we go. Then we push that. Pushing it on, way easier. So now that's on. Then we could take our light. We can slide it on here. There's nothing holding it on, so be careful. So our next step, thread this guy in. And I'm gonna go until it's nice and firm. And I kind of felt it stop there. Then we got to plug this guy in. Remember, red clip is facing out towards the driver's side. You feel that pop and you push it, and then push the red clip in. So that's in. Let's check and see if it works. All right, and that's how you replace a driver's side turn signal on a 2013 Volkswagen Passat. It's flashing. We're good to go. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.